Hello guys, I'm Naveed Ali and we teach mathematics KPK KPK syllabus. Uh, in this book, the first chapter is about matrix. So introduction to matrix is we can define this lecture 1 and we define matrix as an arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns in square brackets is called matrix. मैट्रिक्स को हम ब्रैकेट्स के फॉर्म स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं और रेक्टेंगुलर रेस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि a equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. We represent the matrix by capital letters A B C of the English alphabets, and these numbers are represented by small letters of the English alphabets and are by numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can also write this as matrix is denoted by capital letters A B C. In matrix we discuss in definition we discuss about rows and columns. So what is row? Row is the horizontal run of the matrix is known as row of the matrix, and the vertical run of the matrix, this is the row of the matrix. This is known as row of the matrix, the horizontal run, and the vertical run of the matrix is known as column of matrix. This is row, and this one is known as column of matrix. In matrix we discuss about order of the matrix. What is order of the matrix? Order is, if A is a matrix, then order of the matrix is equal to number of rows cross number of columns, or number of rows by number of columns. For example, if we have a matrix A is equal to PQ or S, so to find order of this A matrix, we have A is equal to PQ or S, number of rows is equal to 2. That is one row, that is two row. So number of rows is equal to 2, and this is column 1 and that's column 2, C1, C2. So here number of rows is equal to 2 and number of columns is equal to 2. So order of A is equal to 2 by 2 or 2 cross 2. Another example is B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we find the order of B matrix. So number first you should know about the rows of the matrix. So here we have 3 rows. That is row 1, that is row 2, that is row 3. Row 1, row 2, row 3. And this is column 1, this is column 2. So here number of rows is equal to 3, or 1 or 2 or 3. Number of columns is equal to 2, C1 and C2. So order of matrix is 2 by 3 or 2 by 3, or 2 by 3 or 2 cross 3. Now for the exercise 1.1 of KPK syllabus, we discuss about the equality of two matrices. When two matrices be equal, so two matrices be equal. If we have two matrices, A is equal to 1 2 3 A B C D, A B C D, and B is a matrix E F G H. So when these two matrices will be equal, when these two matrices be equal, A and B are said to be equal matrix. A and B are said to be equal matrix if the corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. matrices A and B are equal if their corresponding elements of the both the matrices are equal. Here A, B, C, D. We say that this is equal to E, F, G, H. So we will say if these two matrices are equal, then this first element will be equal to the first element of this matrix. These two matrices are equal. So we will say that the corresponding elements will be equal. A will be equals to E, means that the first element of the matrix is equal to the first element of the second matrix. If this is 2, this will also be 2. If B is equal to F, B is equal to F. B is equal to F means that if this is 4, this will also be 4. C is equal to G. C is equal to G means that if this is 6, this will be also 6. And last one, D is equal to H. It means that if this is any number 8, for example, this will be also 8. If this is equal to 8 and this is equal to 4 plus 4, that's also 8. So these two matrices are equal. The order of the matrix, we discuss here order of matrix. Order of matrix also known as dimension of the matrix or size of the matrix. So that's enough for today. Inshallah we discuss about the exercise questions tomorrow, the next lecture inshallah. Thanks.